स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं दशमी कक्षायां प्रश्नपत्रे दशमम् अभ्यासं पठन्तः स्मः। Welcome to online classes, my dear students. In the class 10th, we are discussing the question paper. The 10th main question that is belongs to the avyayas we are discussing. Sadrisham trishu lingeshu sarvasu cha vibhaktishu vachaneshु च सर्वेषु यन्नव्येति तदव्ययम्. Avyayas are those which doesn't change. They are called avyayas. Navyeti iti avyayam. Navyayam avyayam iti bhavati. Yesterday we have discussed, I think, 4 questions. From there we will continue. Yatha. Who was telling the answers yesterday? Aham dash angla bhasham pathami. यदि मेघः गर्जति तर्हि मयूराः नृत्यन्ति. न्या. Who will continue? Nikhil, will you continue this? Fifth one. Aham dash angla bhasham pathami. Kada sahasa vritha api tarhi shwaha adya idanim. Aham dash angla bhasham pathami. Nikhil, not audible. सा गणितं डैश पठितुम् इच्छति. सी प्रश्नार्थकं वाक्यं भवति. सो व्हाट विल यू से? कदा. कदा प्रश्नार्थकं भवति. I think Nikhil is having some problem or am I having some problem? It is a problem here. Okay, no problem. I will be continuing. अहम गणितं कदा पठितुं सा गणितं कदा पठितुम् इच्छति. डैश निरीक्षकेन निर्णयः न करणीयः. सहसा निरीक्षकेन निर्णयः न करणीयः. त्वम् अत्र डैश श्रमं करोषि. त्वम् अत्र वृथा श्रमं करोषि. So you are making so much of hard work here. It is of no use. It is the waste to work hard here. Many people think that Shritan like that they will be going. Agre chalamaha. Agre chalamaha. Adholikita vakyeshu. Adholikiteshu rekankita padam ashuddham asti chet अस्ति शुद्धं पदं विकल्पेभ्यः चित्वा लिखता. Correcting the sentences. Okay. Can you hear me, my dear boys?
Yes, sir.
वृक्षात् फलाः पतन्ति. आदर्श.
Sir, we have, sir.
वृक्षात् फलाः
Sir, I think someone has joined this class.
That is 6th class by 7th class. आदर्श. वृक्षात् फले पतन्ति फलानि पतन्ति फलः पतन्ति. आदर्शः. Oh, I will remove him. ओ पांडे जी, इसको निकालिए. कोच स्वर्णजीत को. कोच स्वर्णजीत, you are supposed to join your Hindi class, not Sanskrit class. वृक्षात् फलाः पतन्ति. What is the correct form? Thank you, sir. You are channel. Network is gone. Network is high. Adarsh? Adarsh? Aditya? Can you tell the answer? Vrikshat phalaha patanti. Boys, can you hear me?
Your voice is not audible.
Not audible. Shall I come out? Just wait, I will be coming out. Here the network problem is there. Just a minute. Vrikshat phalaha patanti. How to correct this sentence? Oh, such a easy question. Yes, Pratyush Pandeji. Kahiye, what is the answer? Am I muted? Just a minute.
No, sir.
Yes, who told yes? Gote, please answer the first question. Vrikshat phalaha patanti.
Sir, Rukshaha Falani Patanti.
Vrikshat phalani patanti. Very good. Next question. Next question for Amar Akkalwadi. Sumedha kandukena kridishyatha. How to correct this one? Kridishyasi, kridishyatha, kridishyati. Kridishyatha. Who is that professor? Huh?
Idisyati, sir.
Ah, Sumedha. Sumedha is a girl. One girl is there. How? Kridishyataha. Twamsi yuam taha yuyam tha. When yuam is there, then taha will come. Sumedha kridishyati. Next. Question to Ravitej. Balakaha pustakam apatat. See, always see the Kriya Pada and then guess the Kartrupada. Apatat iti ekavachane asti. Balakaha iti bahuvachane asti.
Sahas.
Saha is the correct answer. Very nice. Next question to Sankalpa. Imau balakau भ्रमन्ति.
Imau balakau brahmataha.
Brahmataha. Beautiful. So we will go to the next question paper. Okay. इदानीम् अधोलिखितानि वाक्यानि संस्कृतभाषायाम् अनूद्य लिखित ट्रांसलेशन. The first sentence is for Satvik Bula. Lata dances. Lata नाचती है. Very simple.
Latam Nrityati, sir.
Lata nrityati. Beautiful. Good answer. All of you play by ball. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
All of you play by ball. तुम सब गेंद से खेलते हो.
सर तुम सबको लिए क्या कहेंगे संस्कृत में?
भवन्तः सर्वे.
भवन्तः सर्वे कन्दुकेन क्रीडन्ति.
Very good, very good. Correct. So Mohan is not there, but still
Sir,
Mohan has
can't we
come.
use Yuvam, sir?
Yes, my dear.
Sir, can't we use Yuvam, sir? Tum sab Yuvam.
Yum survey. Tvam yuvam yum. Yum survey.
Yes, sir.
Yum survey kandukena kridatha. Then it will become. Mohan will go to market tomorrow. Mohan, will he go? Shritan. Mohan will go to market tomorrow.
Mohanah Shwaha
What do you call market, sir?
मार्केट विपणी
मोहनः श्वः विपणिः
विपणीं
गमिष्यति.
विपणीं
विपणिः गमिष्यति.
गमिष्यति. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट तन्वय. वेयर वाज रमेश यस्टरडे?
रमेशः ह्यः कुत्र
आसीत्. वेरी गुड. Rama study with Sita. Vinay.
रामः सीतस्य पठत्.
See, whenever with comes, that is the Tritiya Vibhakti. Can you try once again?
सर राम सीतेन सहित पठत्.
सीतेन न भवति. सीता स्त्रीलिंग अस्ति खलु. सीतया सह पठति. वेरी गुड. रामः सीतया सह पठति. नेक्स्ट. All of you answered. Nikhil. Leaves fall down from tree.
वृक्षात् फलानि पतन्ति.
फलानि नास्ति.
वृक्षात् पत्राणि पतन्ति.
पत्राणि पतन्ति.
पत्राणि पतन्ति.
May I read? This is little difficult. We will tell. Satvik Hiremat. May I read? Whenever may comes now, you must be thinking that it will be the lot lakara. May I read? You may say, Pandeji.
हेलो.
कहिए.
May I read, sir?
Read.
अहं पठन्तु.
Patatu is lot lakara. Aham is coming na. Patatu patatam patantu. Patha patatam patata. Don't know lot lakara? Pathani. Pathani pathava pathama. अतीव सुलभम अस्ति. किमहं पठामि. नी पठामि. किमहं पठामि. Shall we move next? Aham. That is in lat lakara. It is in lot lakara. Okay. Next. Next Vinay. Hayaha cha vahanti bodhitaha. Hayaha cha. What is sandhi? Vinay. Very easy. Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu. Hayascha is the correct answer. Good Adarsh. Next. Shreshtham karma eva kartavyam. How to write? श्रेष्ठम कर्म. गुड. अस्माभिः सत् अधिकं मार्गे चलितव्यं. सत् अधिकं मार्गे. रवितेज. सन्मार्गे. नाट सत्. सद्मार्गे नास्ति. सन्मार्गे. सन्मार्गे. Ta is becoming na, not da. Okay, don't get confusion here. वर्गस्य प्रथम वर्णस्य स्थाने पञ्चमवर्णस्य आगमः न तु तृतीयवर्णस्य आगमः. सत् अधिकम् आचारः सदाचारः. So whenever the next word is the fifth letter, then it will be coming the its fifth letter will come here. Vangmayam, vakadikam mayam, vangmayam. Jagannatah, jagattadikam natah, jagannatah, like that. Next question for Nikhil. संपूर्ण भारते एकच्छत्रं राज्यम् अस्ति. एकच्छत्रम्.
एकः अधिकं छत्रं.
नास्ति. Little wrong. Who will answer?
एकम् छत्रं.
एक अधिकं छत्रं. Not एकः. Visarga will not come. Good. Next question to Sankalp. एतयोः जननी तेनावमानिता. एतयोः अधिकं जननी. Very easy. विसर्ग संधिः भवति. Sankalp, are you there? Shritan?
Etayor janani, sir.
Etayor janani. The visarga is becoming refa. Because before the visarga, if it is e, u, o, then visarga will become refa. Next. अधोलिखित वाक्येषु रेखांकित पदानां समासं विग्रहं वा प्रदत्त विकल्पेभ्यः चित्वा लिखताम्. पश्यामः. व्याघ्रमारी. सात्विक बुल्ला. व्याघ्राय मारयति इति सा. व्याघ्रं मारयति इति सा. व्याघ्रस्य मारयति इति सा.
व्याघ्रं मारयति इति सा.
Very good. Which option?
B.
B. Very good. Next question for Tanmay. Munihi rajanam ishtam anatikrumya abhyanandat. Ishtam anatikrumya ityasya samasta padam. Yatishtam, yathashtam, yatheshtam.
यथाष्टम.
Yathashtam. Very beautifully answered. Wrong. Yathashtam is wrong. What is the correct? Yatha ishtam.
Yateshtam, sir. Yateshtam.
Yateshtam is the right one.
A plus E.
A plus E ye bhavati. Maheshah. Maha plus Ishah Maheshah. Gunasandhi. Next question for Rohit. Ramah लवकुशौ उपवेशयितुं कथयति. लवकुशौ. लवञ्च कुशञ्च लवकुशं. लवाय च कुशाय च लवकुशौ. लवः च कुशः च.
लवाय च कुशाय च.
लवाय च कुशाय च लवकुशाभ्याम. It will become लवः च कुशः च लवकुशौ. That is wrong. Tanmay. Why that is wrong? That is also correct.
Sir, lava.
Lavaha cha kushaha cha lavakushau. It will become. But here it is wrong. Why? This is very important thing. You must know this. Here lavaha cha kushaha cha also lavakushau. But lavakushau will be the subject. लवकुशौ वनम गच्छतः. लवकुशौ अयोध्याम गच्छतः. There लवः च कुशः च. But here Rama is the subject. Already Rama is the subject is there. Lavakushau is the object. Karma padam bhavati. Karma padam sarvada dvitiya vibhakto bhavati. Are you getting this? So that's why the right option is लवं च कुशं च लवकुशौ. I hope you understood. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If it is the Kartrupada, then what Tanmay told is correct. Lava kushau upavishataha. If it is there, then lavaha cha kushaha cha. Agre chalamaha. Next question is for Aditya. गलबद्ध श्रुगालकः व्याघ्रः पुनः पलायितः. गलबद्धः श्रुगालकः गले बद्धः श्रुगालः यस्य सः गलस्य गले श्रुगालस्य गले बद्धः यः सः.
सी सर.
श्रुगालस्य गले बद्धः यः सः. श्रुगालस्य गले, that means jackal's neck who was tied. गलबद्ध श्रुगालकः.
सेकंड वन सर.
Second one, correct. गले बद्धः श्रुगालः यस्य सः. It is the correct one. For whom in the neck the fox is tied. The right answer is B1. Next question for Adarsh. क्रोधो हि शत्रुः देहस्य विनाशाय. देहस्य विनाशाय, देहविनाशाय, देहनाशने, देहो नाशनाय. Adarsh, which one? Ka. That is the right answer. Deha vinashaya iti shuddham uttaram.